Murrells Inlet is a charming fishing town just 25 minutes from downtown Myrtle Beach. This quaint area is actually known as the seafood capital of South Carolina.
And we are back. Retro Myrtle Beach Guy. We're at Suck Bang Blow. Back again, Myrtle Beach Car Club. It's a pretty big show this week. Now it does help that it's sunny, gorgeous out. So yeah, we're just moseying around, checking out some of the cars. While I'm here though, now just about 100 paces from Suck Bang Blow, in the location of one of the old fish markets. I can't believe this place has eluded me for this long. They have green beer. And not just that. It's like an ecto cooler. Green ecto cooler beer, guys. This place is fun too. Neat decor, kitschy, good colors. But yeah, I had to try this Ecto Cooler beer. If you don't remember, it's from the 80s. It was the Ecto Cooler High C. That all of us millennials were addicted to. It kind of tastes like a framboise, like a lambic. It's a sour. She said it was like a Jolly Rancher. I could see that. It's light though, not too sweet, not too sour. You can actually drink like a whole one of these. That's good. Lots of cool cars turned out for the show today. Big turnout. That new Corvette. You know, it's sour, but it's also really malty. I probably should have checked the ABV on this first. Whew, gonna walk around the car show for a while. Now we're also right across the street from Seven Seas Seafood Market, which I think like Al Roker was just at.
I'm at Seven Seas Market.
Take it right up there to the scale.
All right, here we go.
Or something. I don't know. It's weird. We've got them Gronk twins here lately.
Because we love Myrtle Beach like no other. I'm telling you, it's the best years. I'll bring my brother's kids here, get the whole family together here in Myrtle Beach. It would be really cool.
A lot of celebrities. Eminem was here last year. Weird. I don't know. Myrtle Beach is blowing up. I guess they're all catching on. Yeah, I'm a fan. Y'all know I like anything themed. A little off kilter, but I like it. good beer, crazy, weird beer. As I'm sure I've said a million times, I used to work at a microbrewery, as a brewer's assistant, so I actually made the beer. So I am a little bit of a snob. If you ever hear me go to a microbrewery on here and I don't comment on the quality of the beer they create, let's just say my mother taught me, if you don't have something nice to say. I really, actually, you can taste the quality here. The flavors and the colors, you know, it might not meet like Bavarian quality standards, but it tastes clean, it tastes clear. It was good. It was well made, you can tell. That G20. There go all my chances at a trophy. Dave's out here winning hearts and minds. Well, that was some wild cars and a wacky new bar. I gotta go back there and try more of those beers. Oh, but for now, well, I gotta go grocery shopping, get home, make dinner for the family. I hope you enjoy your week, and until next time.